Chapter 301, Planetary Lifeform 1. Shooting star? This was Zutui's first reaction when he saw the sudden burst of light in the sky. Shihong smiled but did not say anything. He continued to point at the sky, indicating for Zutui to continue watching. Zutui's expression changed after a second. It was definitely not a shooting star. If it was really a shooting star, it would only take an instant. However, the sudden light did not disappear in a second. Instead, in a second, its brightness multiplied. It was as if a bright moon had suddenly appeared in the world. The kind with a full moon. It was illuminated by the light. If he looked up, he might have the illusion that it was almost dawn. When the light reached its peak, it suddenly shattered. It exploded like a super firework. It exploded into hundreds of thousands of light spots. Each point of light was like a brilliant shooting point falling from the distant sky, bringing with it a ribbon of light. Zutui, Changmo, Gongling, and Zuo Qingqing were completely stunned. This was a phenomenon that they had never seen before. What is this? Zutui muttered to himself as he looked at the huge fireworks that had exploded in an instant. Guess? Shihong was extremely detestable. At this moment, he was keeping everyone in suspense. Zutui glared at Shihong unhappily. Changmo immediately guessed the artificial satellite was destroyed? How big is a satellite? You can't even see a satellite being blown up in space. The space station? Changmo guessed again. Shihong still shook his head and pointed at his head. Changmo had to think before he spoke. Could it be an extraterrestrial base built by humans? Changmo was hooked. There's another one. Suddenly, Gongling shouted. In the sky, another ball of light rose. In an instant, it exploded into a huge firework. However, this second firework was more than 10 times weaker than the first one. Seeing the second firework light up, Shihong was shocked. This is... At this moment, most of the hundreds of light spots that exploded from the two balls of light disappeared when they passed through the atmosphere. A small number of them managed to pass through the atmosphere and land in all directions with shocking brightness. One of them actually fell in the direction of Donggan Ridge. Seeing this, Shihong suddenly stood up. Damn, did I get lucky today? Zutui, Changmo, Gongling, and Zuo Qingqing did not know what had happened. I might have some unexpected gains today, so I won't keep you in suspense. I'll be frank with you. The light spots that exploded just now were actually two planetary realm lifeforms, Shihong said. A lifeform? Zutui frowned. Why do you say that it's a lifeform and not a human? Because they might not be humans. Humans are just one of the life forms on the extraterrestrial battlefield. What is a planetary realm? Zutui quickly asked his question. Above the genetic transmutation realm is the planetary realm. That is the standard of passage for the entire universe. Shihong's words instantly opened a new door for Zutui. Zutui wanted to ask something, but Shihong waved his hand and rejected him. What I'm saying can be considered top secret information. Most of the teachers in the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College might not know about it. So, that was it. Knowledge is the most expensive in this world. Zutui, who wanted to know more, was stunned. Of course, if you want to know more information, you can join our organization. Within the organization, as long as you reach a certain level of membership, a lot of knowledge is free. What do you think? Shihong said with a smile. I need to think about it. Zutui did not agree. Hearing this, Shihong sighed. Kid, why are you so wishy-washy? Why don't you add a companion? Shihong pointed at Changmo. Your brother Changmo was not qualified to join our organization. However, if you join, he can also be approved as an outer member and obtain a free ability and related cultivation resources. At this point, Shihong added, we have information on Changmo. To be honest, we happen to have an ability within the myths regarding the genetic base points that Changmo activated. Moreover, the advanced ability of this ability is very magical. Zutui cursed in his heart. What a F-King temptation. Moreover, it also indirectly proved that Shihong had come prepared. Not only did they investigate Zutui's detailed information, but they also investigated his social relations. Shihong's words made Changmo's eyes light up. However, he immediately became determined. It's up to you whether you want to enter or not, little Tui. Don't be affected by me. I'm also very satisfied with my current ability, Cheng Mo said. Zhu Tui did not respond to Cheng Mo's words. Instead, he began to think about it. However, Shi Hong looked very anxious. Zhu Tui, I'll be leaving in 3 minutes at most. Let's see if I can snatch that origin crystal. Origin crystals? Zhu Tui was puzzled. I'll explain this problem to you when you join the organization. I can only tell you that it's a very, very precious thing. Some people invested hundreds of millions all year round but could not buy a single piece. It is priceless. As he spoke, Shi Hong looked at his watch again. How about it? Hurry up and give me an answer. We myths pay more attention to mutual benefits with our members.